Hello my dear viewers, welcome to my channel DIY craft videos. Guys, in this video I will show you 25 plus fine bottle decor ideas, easy with a touch magic. So don't go anywhere guys, stay with me and keep watching my videos. Just like mason jars, wine bottles are so incredibly versatile and can be used in a lot of creative projects. Most wine bottle crafts are actually super easy and perfect for beginner dyers, and of course if you want to try your hand at something a bit more complex, there is always room for customization and you can always take your projects a step further. For now, let's stick with some simple ideas. In my videos, you can find a bunch of fine bottle decorations designs to add character to your home. Let them serve as a source of inspiration for your next DIY project. A cool idea is to turn a clear glass wine bottle into a candle holder. The reason why the bottle needs to be clear is that you will be putting leaf branches, or if you prefer it, flowers inside, and you will be filling the bottle with water. The candle will fit on top, so make sure it's not too thin or too thick. It has to be just right so it fits securely without falling through. If you like my video, then press the like button and please share my videos with your friends, with your colleagues. I will show you more ideas soon. Stay with me, connect with me and keep watching my videos. If you have any request or if you want to ask me any question about these ideas, then you can comment me in comment section. I will reply on your comment and fulfill your request as soon as possible. Cute repurposed Thai wine bottle crafts for a fun afternoon project. I really hope that you will enjoy all my videos related to craft. So guys, don't go anywhere, stay with me and keep watching my videos. I will show you more ideas soon. Do take care of yourself and wait for my next video. I will be back soon. Thanks for watching my video. Do take care of yourself and your family. Bye bye guys. Remember me in your prayers. God bless you. Always be happy, keep smiling and keep supporting me. Once again, thanks for watching my video.